Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video involves a modern day beard trim. Now, I've been getting a lot of requests on TikTok about making a beard tutorial, so here it is. As usual, I saved the best for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, comments, all of that stuff is welcome in order to give this video more exposure so other people can watch it and learn. Now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
First thing I'm going to do is mark the beard. I'm basically creating a rough draft of what I want the beard to look like. Watch and observe, then try to duplicate these movements on your client. It's important for me to add also, I'm not only creating lines on the beard, but I'm also getting rid of unwanted hair so that I can go behind it with a foil shaver and remove it. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. For this exercise, I'm just going to line up the bottom of the mustache. And I'm using the 38 Super for this because out of all the trimmers that I have, this one here is the sharpest one that I have in the shed. And to trace around the lip line, I need a trimmer that's going to be super sharp. And I only want to use it just for that. I don't really want to go around the entire face with a really sharp trimmer like that because it could cause irritation to the client. And for those of you who didn't hear me the first time, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. The next step is to remove all of the stubble I don't need with an electric foil shaver. Now this here was a game changer for me personally because I used to take a long time with my shaves. Between the lather, the shaving with the razor, the powdering of the face, and the reshaving with the razor, I was spending about 30 minutes on a shave alone. And especially on a Saturday, I always felt like I was losing money behind it. When I discovered that I could bring down the unwanted hair to a stubble and then remove it with a foil shaver, it literally cut my shaving time down into about half. So I'm able to save a lot of time. This process here only takes about a minute. For this exercise, I'm using the RPG by Caliber. When I'm finished with the foil shaver, I start creating my lines with the razor. Because there's no hair on the face creating resistance, I can just go with the razor straight to the line and make the line. With your client, try to mimic these same movements, but remember, don't press down on the razor. You want to make sure that you keep a very, very light hand. My client's beard hair is a little unruly, so I've got to try to tame it. This is done by applying heat to the hair so it becomes more manageable. And not only that, it also adds length to the beard. For this exercise, I'm using the ACOG Beard Straightener Brush by Caliber. Now it's time to give the beard a little character. To do this, I give it a shape. A beard can be shaped in a variety of ways. It's really all about preference. If you like this particular style here, just mimic what I'm doing on your client. For this exercise, I'm using the original 44 Magnum by Caliber. Any loose ends, I take care of quickly with a small pair of shears, or scissors, whatever you want to call them. If your client's beard looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. All of the machines in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.